They're supposed to do like this.
Like,
It's voice control. Okay, here are the windows. This rib used to be right there. And my strategy was, I'm not cutting metal out of this van because there's a reason for this metal there. But these ribs, or whatever you want to call them, what did I call them? They really, most of what they do is not carry the load down. They keep the panels from vibrating. They strengthen the panels a little bit. But if you're going to have another structure in here, like a window, then you need this less. But anyway, I ended up needing area up here, even though I got a window that would fit between the ribs. I ended up cutting this one out, and I'm not worried about it. It's strength-wise. It was only attached. I mean, it didn't take hardly anything to pull these out of there. This is not carrying a lot of strength. What it's doing is it's adding support to the panel, I guess.
okay, so real quickly, because it's very hot in here, tell me sort of what you did. The last thing I got video of was you holding the window up to the cut hole.
Okay, so I just made a frame out of 1 by 2, and I doubled it up. And this is glue, construction adhesive. And then there's this inner ring that goes on this, and this gets screwed in. So somebody from the outside has to push in, and there's a caulking around that, a sealant. So it's definitely a 2-person job. And then I had to cut these exactly the right length so this would snug up and bottom out. So the length of this, the depth of this really matters. Other than that, most vans have really long windows, like 4-footers or something. These are just 24-inch.
Well, if we'd known we were going to take out that rib, we might have gotten bigger, longer windows.
Yeah, but do we really need it?
No, not really.
Because we could hang tubs down here. I don't know.
True.
I'm fine with this. I don't feel like I sacrificed anything.
You did one on each
But
side.
this was something I didn't want to do. I wanted to get away from that. So I bought a 24-inch window, and I was going to go between the ribs, but I couldn't get the height I want because length, width, depth, height.